Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Chief Justice Kaying Bishar, Bahedo Jonkajala Meghalaya, Ka Meghalaya High Court, Bishwanath Samandar, Ryngkat ke Jingdon Menteri Ketenat Ain, James P.K. Sangma, Hanek Sngi Lapli Pajba Yaka District and Sessions Court, Mawkyrwat Southwest Khas Hills District. Hakanek Sngi Plie Yaka Yang Batamai Joka District and Session Court, Laidon Ryngkat Langru, MLA Ketenat PHE Uba Rinikton Langdo, Ubadairu MLA Katany, Judge Meghalaya High Court, Justice R.V. Moore, Justice H.S. Thank you, but Justice W. Dingdo. But Ubadairu Administrative Judge Jonka Southwest Khas Hills District. Ki Officer Lembat Ki Pajba Jonka Dongka Tany. Shushu Hakanik Snila Yo Ruban Punpu Punping, Yakanika Program Dagi Jingphuh Jingtem, but Jingshat Tanrai Naka Group, Jonka Yong La Jong, Maulangwir, Sankasi Nonglang, but Kiwei Kiwei.
As we hear with love and we are glad to have you here. There's so much joy and this is our wish and prayers to be strong and to be known. Welcome you.
Các đứa các chính ngọc men ya các đồng các thành trong đi. Yang bisa lawan terima kasih, yang bisa dan buram kala dan Mawkyrwat, ya tiba syaban menyikan Plie lajeng sok satu.
Rather, it should respond and adapt to the changes in the surrounding context. More often than not, location of courts, their professional surroundings, and access play a pivotal role in a litigant's decision to even approach the court. One is compelled to remember the humble yet confident address by the Chief Justice of Madras, Sri Sir Arthur Collins in 1862. He spoke for the future with vibrant optimism that predicted the ability and the courage of the proponents of law who will administer justice according to the law of the land in the institutions of the court. The building of the court therefore becomes symbolic that it is the institution that eventually matters, not any individual as whosoever he may be or she may be. We are indeed so fortunate to have this not just beautiful building, but also a very functional building. I am sure that this building will serve as a constant reminder to the people of this district that justice is just a stone's throw away. This building is brand new today, but time will take its toll. But the institutional structure that has association with dispensation of justice has the innate energy and the life stem that can defeat the capture of history or the capture of time. On this occasion, and in a place like Mawkyrwat, it is but fitting to talk about the idea of justice embedded into a philosophical tenet of the Khasi people, the concept of Kamai Yaka Hok. The philosophy talks about building the idea of everyday life around justice, integrity, truth, and righteousness. It is a part of the traditional Khasi culture where every member of the society would have been taught about this prudent philosophy as they were growing up. To look at it from a very technical lens, law has institutions today, but the fundamental concepts of the importance of justice is actually ingrained in almost all the traditions of various societies and cultures. We have so much to learn from such ancient wisdom, like the concept of justice found in the Kamai Yakahok.
Ensuring justice for all without fear or favor, affection or ill will. Learned judicial officers who are present here today, I have a request to all of you. Try not to let down the very people, the common man, who still, in spite of so much of odds, has complete faith in this great institution which renders justice. Be a little sensitive, especially towards those litigants who come from the marginalized section of the society. They have nowhere to go. They come crying for justice. They have no one to fall back upon. We will make an effort not to let them down. And as I have said earlier in previous speeches, the Legal Services Authority of the state, which functions through the District Legal Services Authority,